Today, we're learning the distance formula. The distance formula helps us measure how far apart 2 points are on a coordinate plane. If you draw 2 points and connect them, the distance between them is the diagonal line. That diagonal is the hypotenuse of a right triangle, so this formula comes from the Pythagorean theorem. Here is the formula. D equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. D means distance. The part x2 minus x1 finds the horizontal difference. The part y2 minus y1 finds the vertical difference. The little 2 means square each difference, and the square root symbol means take the square root at the end. Now let's solve example 1. Find the distance between 1, 2 and 4, 6. Step 1. Find the differences. 4 minus 1 equals 3, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. Step 2. Square each difference. 3 squared equals 9, and 4 squared equals 16. Step 3. Add them together. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Step 4. Take the square root. Square root of 25 equals 5. Final answer, 5 units. Now example 2. Find the distance between 0, 0 and 6, 8. Step 1. Find the differences. 6 minus 0 equals 6, and 8 minus 0 equals 8. Step 2. Square each difference. 6 squared equals 36, and 8 squared equals 64. Step 3. Add them together. 36 plus 64 equals 100. Step 4. Take the square root. Square root of 100 equals 10. Final answer, 10 units. Remember the 4-step process every time. Subtract, square, add, and square root. Keep the x values together, keep the y values together, and always take the square root at the end.